Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Gundam World Sangoku Soketsuden Zhuo Providence Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, it's the last of the 3 kits, and this is probably not like my, I guess least favorite, but maybe because he's a bad guy, obviously, if I can tell. And yeah, I mean, I've seen images online, and I'm kind of worried about it because of all these cracks on this, armor. I'm wondering if they actually can replicate it in plastic and not in stickers, which is pretty. It's gonna be kind of interesting to see. But yeah, let's go to unboxing. So yes, Zhuo. Again, I'm not familiar with these three kingdoms, but I do like Soketsuden and this line, so I'm really excited to get to see what you guys look like. And inside here, basically, yeah, you get the front shot, and the box is small as compared to Sun Xian and Cao Cao. So yeah, inside here again, you can pause the review if you want. And basically, what I'm not interesting about this guy is his like dinosaur form, which is kind of weird. I never see it. I mean, I've seen SD games who've done weird stuff, but I never see something get even weirder. But yeah, inside again, doesn't mention the price. I'll put in the title so you can see for yourself. Yep, that's what in life, and so you got. Okay. It's in the box. Come on, here we go. First bag, we got the stickers. Yeah, not too bad. The stickers are, again, not a lot, which is pretty good. And yeah, you get a frame, and then you have the clear wrap. Again, I'll try to test them like a serial glove. Same for the other kits as well. I'll put a tactile in there. And yeah, the clear parts, yeah, they're okay. Really, I believe they're perfectly fine with me. This doesn't even look like Providence. I can remember this sort of backpack. It looks like a turtle shell. And then you got the sword and the other parts of the body. And next up we have the gold. Again, I prefer this gold as opposed to the Liu Bei. It's the shoe area Gundams, basically. And then you got silver. Oh dear. No. Don't tell me that. Oh boy. I have to do painting on this guy. More painting on this guy than I expected. Yeah, as you guys notice, the cracks on the armor is you have to paint it yourself. You don't come in plastic. That kind of sucks. Oh well, guess I should. Oh boy, why is it the dents on the box? I swear, never mind. Alright, so the manual, and again, this is the manual. You can pause where you want. You done? Good. And yeah, basically, yeah, that's really creepy. That I definitely know that's Lubis and Andrew, and that I know is Jiaoshan Kishatria. But it's pretty obvious. Well, I don't know why you didn't want to show like the extra images of them rather than just making them silhouettes. That's pretty weird. You can pause where you want here. Pause and read if you want here. And yep, so we got the usual stuff. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the SD Zhuo Providence Gundam. Again, I'm not building it immediately. I will try to build it in a couple of weeks and see how it goes. And hopefully, I'm hoping I could really paint most of this kit, because this is gonna be really tricky, especially for like all these cracks on the kit. I can't expect that to happen, and yes, it did happen. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.